edit draft. And here is one, edit draft, 3 hours and a half. Next, 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 and then change the status from unlimited to public for the visibility. And then click publish. And here is another one, 2 hours, 3 minutes and 5 seconds, edit draft. Next, next, next. Change the status, raise the status from unlisted to public, click public, and then click publish. And notice how I got to the close button. I don't want to share the link with anybody for now, and I want to close it and watch how the edit draft button on the right hand side disappears. And it disappears, and the status is published. So now I want to scroll down some more to see whether there are any more items to edit, and then click. That was 101 through 150 of about 3,851 YouTube video clips for this channel. So now we're going to click down on the next 50 and to see whether any one of them needs editing. And it seems that none of the following 50 needs editing. And then I click the right greater than sign, which is a next page. When the next page appears, I'm going to scroll down to see if there's anything to edit a draft here, and there's none, so I go to the next page. And now down to the next page to see if there's any additional editing needs. When the answer is no, I reached row number 50 at the range of 251 through 300 of about 4,476 clips on YouTube for this one channel. At this point, I want to take a rest, so I'm going to suspend the various recordings, starting with the camera. So I'm going to click on the camera icon. Okay, and now it stops recording, and I want to play it back to assess the quality of the recording, so I double click it. And then I click the playback button. So far I'm recording from multiple devices, including also a 360 camera that I haven't started using yet, but before I do that, I want to record it also from Pixar Problem Step Recorder. Start a new recording, but before that I want to verify that the setting is set to 999, which it is. So I cancel it and I start a new recording. I stopped it and I minimize it because that is just fine. The next item that I would like to stop recording and test is a screen recorder, MSN Recorder Max. So here is MSN Recorder Max 4.4.7.6. I want to stop recording here, press the stop button, and then click the no button. I don't want to upload it, but I do want to play it back, so I click play. This is a test of using a 360 camera to record here locally on myself editing a web page. So this was pretty good. At this point, I'm ready to go to the next stage and select my PSAR, Problem Step Recorder Executable, PSAR.exe. I want to stop and review. So I'm going to stop and review. I click the stop and review button. Then I want to go to the add a comment button and click it. And Control V and paste the video file name that I just created. And then I want to click OK. Then I want to save it as. So I'm going to click the save button. And scroll down to the bottom to see which file is the latest and greatest file that I have saved here from February 9. Today is February 10, so this is a day ago. So I'm selecting it. Okay. The date has to be upgraded from 2-9 for February 9th to 2-10 for today. So I'm going to upgrade the 9 to 10, 1, 0, and delete the 9. The year is 2005, so I'm going to keep it. But I'm going to delete the version Control Z backstage and delete it. The day of the week is not Sunday, it is Monday. So I'm going to backspace 1, 2, and now capital M for Monday, Mo, lowercase o for Monday, and the time of the day is 3:32 p.m. So I'm going to go to delete some times listed here. Delete, 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 all the way to the zip. And now the time now is 3:32 p.m. So I type 3.32 space p.m. It is going to be a zip type of a file. But after the zip, I want to put the video file name, which was Control V myvideo.mpeg, and the topic will be .360 4K cam, that will be good enough. Cam, recorded or streaming. So we can say record plus stream plus stream. And now I want to create the prefix, which is the path of PSAR.exe. So I place the cursor on it, right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, then insert the cursor at the first position of the file name field at the bottom of the Save As dialog box of Windows 10, and then Control V to paste the path, followed by a backslash separator to separate it from the file name. Finally, I'm going to focus the cursor first on the save as first data input to review again the path. And now the last data input, right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer. Now I'm ready to click the save button, scroll up to see how many steps was it. 126 steps so far. At this point I'm ready to quit, so I'm going to stop the recording on the 360 camera and take a break. So I press the stop recording button.